All right, South Georgia fig family, just a quick peek at several of our container-grown fig trees that we currently have going on in our high-tunnel greenhouse as they begin to make their way out of dormancy. Most of you guys and gals currently follow our channel recall we had a cold front that came through our area, an Arctic cold front that passed through our area back in December that slammed everything that got exposed to that weather into dormancy. It sent all of our fig trees into dormancy. We brought our fig trees inside of our high tunnel greenhouse here about 3 weeks ago, South Georgia fig family, and this is what has happened within the past 3 weeks since we brought our fig trees inside of our high tunnel greenhouse to a more temperate and climate controlled area. They've all begun to come out of dormancy. Take a look at this. Bam! Can't you guys see those growth nodes? Virtually every fig tree here in our high tunnel greenhouse has begun to make its way out of dormancy. We keep our average temperatures inside of our greenhouse at around 65 to 72 degrees for the most part. And our fig trees are loving it here, as you guys can see, all making their way out of dormancy here in our high tunnel greenhouse. And we're super excited to be bringing you guys along for the ride with us. Several of our fig trees are already popping out figs. You guys can see that? A little fig right on my finger right there. These fig trees are super excited to be getting back into growth mode here in our high tunnel greenhouse. Look at that fig. You guys see that? And again, they're already popping out figs for us here in January. And we're super excited about that. You guys see those figs? All of those buds popping open here. We'll be eating figs in about the next 65 to 80 days here from some of these fig trees. The ones that are already popping out figs at any rate. And we're super excited to be bringing you guys along with us and to be able to share this with you guys. Because again, we had an Arctic cold front that came through here that we thought had killed a lot of what it is that we have growing on here at the nursery here at our new location. And we're super excited that we didn't lose any fig trees whatsoever to the Arctic cold front. We got that Peter's honey fig tree down there looking fantastic down there in the bottom down there. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you do currently find yourself watching this video and you're not already subscribed to South Georgia Figs, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, the like button, the notification button, and be sure, South Georgia Fig family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.